Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install PHP 8.1 Apache Mysql Phpmyadmin on Ubuntu 23.04 server. Ubuntu 23.04 server is the latest release. This is my server information, IP address, operating system, RAM, virtual CPU, disk, MySQL PHP version, service, lamp stack. I am checking server version and IP address. This is Ubuntu latest release, codename Lunar, and this is my server IP address. Must be your server update and upgrade using this command. Update and upgrade done. Now install app transport HTTPS and CS certificate. Click tab and press select OK, hit enter. Now add PHP repo. Remember, must be add or check your resolve conf file from etc resolve.conf file. Press enter for click. Name server must be add your Google DNS, public DNS. This is Google public DNS, and now apt update. Then run PHP some script, no problem. Service restarted. Okay. Now install Apache web server, MySQL and Phpmyadmin using this command. Select Apache web server 2, then tab OK. Configuring Phpmyadmin. The Phpmyadmin package must have a database installed and configured before it can be used. This can be optionally handled with dbconfig-common. Configure database for Phpmyadmin with dbconfig-common. Press enter yes. Now please provide a password for Phpmyadmin to register with the database server. If blank, a random password will be generated. MySQL application password for Phpmyadmin. Now I am type root password and retype again. Press enter. And now succeeded. All is success. dbconfig flashing administrative password. Yes, done. Successfully installed Phpmyadmin. Now create info.php file for checking PHP is working properly. Now restart PHP, and now I am going to server IP address for access info.php file. Yes, my server IP address is successfully installed PHP 8.1. Now going to Mysql terminal. Checking user authentication, root localhost is blank. Now I am try to log in Phpmyadmin. Root and password. But not succeeded. Cannot log into the Mysql server. MySQL real connect. Access denied for user root localhost. This is the main reason. Now I am fix this problem. Yes. Now is authentication string. Now again checking server authentication. Yes, this is native MySQL native password. Okay, now I am try to log in. Yes, successfully login. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.